Hey guys, welcome to this world. Today I'm playing the new Zelda game from you vote for it. So this is Zelda. So we're gonna play. But I don't know it'll be wrong because yeah. I'm playing Legend of Zelda 2 It's a Kingdom. And I definitely didn't play before, so I actually didn't play before. But yeah. I don't know what to rate this. It might be too many. So, yeah. So yeah. Yeah. So yeah. So I bet he did vote from the thing. Yeah. I've been checking stuff on my channel. And I don't know. So yeah. But I actually record this. I didn't even play. Hmm? What? I'm gonna skip. Be right back. Okay, let's skip the vest. So, yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Hmm. Actually, this is my first Zelda video. So, what? Okay. 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 What is that? Yeah. What is a tornado? Okay. What the heck is that? What? No, 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 no. Okay. What happened to us? What the? Weirdo. Is this an earthquake now? Is that the end of the world? Is that the end of the game now? It's an earthquake now. What is it? What? Oh, is he dead now? Okay, that's the end. Goodbye. Just kidding. There's still more. It's not the end of the game. What did I do? What did I do? I hate loading. Yep. That's going to be what type of sword is it? Where's the sword? It's disappeared. Give me that. Give me that. I want it. It's gone. I get to hear it. Wait. Do I hear swords? Just like I might. Okay. They better using the controller. Let's bury the button. Go away. Let me go. Kill it. Am I an alien now? But we can never be an alien. Do they? I am using the same controller than the Warrior game. What? The door's opening. The doors are opening. Wait, JK. How did... Oh, that's how you dash? That's how you dash. Okay. Oh, I'm too weak. I got this button at this sword. Oh, X is jump. No! I'm not ready to go. Ah! I can't make it! Yeah, I got that. I know. I'm doing great! Yay! We are falling from the sky! No! No! I am dead! Thanks for watching on the Jonas World! Never mind. It's not the end. I don't know why I'm falling. I don't like to die. I don't like to die. Okay. Wait. Hold. What do you mean hold on? I'm supposed to die, but I never survived from that high. I think it's Minecraft now. Is it cursed by Minecraft? And also, I think I need to make another Minecraft video. I'll make the third one. It was weird. Joe's world was weird, right? Right. Great Sky Island. Okay, that was a great Sky Island. Okay. What does that mean? Yeah! Ah! Go away. Give me something good. What is that? I got a critical hit. No weapon! Got it? Who cares? I'm grabbing a tree branch. Give me the tree branch. It's my weapon now. That's one broke. And my weapon now! It's a sword. What battery? Give me that. What's that? Huh? I don't know. I want to keep buying because look how long the video been. I'm sorry guys. I had to put. What is that? A wooden stick. Woo! Look at that. Ah! I thought I died. How I got back up? I was supposed to die just like a Minecraft fight. Come on. I'm a failure. The failure. How much should be the failure? Wait, ah! I've been trying to jump! Give me these sky mushrooms. What does that mean? Give me them. I want to eat them. I want to eat. Okay. Give me that! Thank you. That's not even enough! I wish I can glitch. Oh, come on, I can tell I'm done. I am bored. Give me these mushrooms. I want to eat for mushroom soup. Where is a furnace? I want a furnace just like in Minecraft. So yeah. How long until? Okay, I'm good enough. I just forgot how to. I just forgot how to jump. Give me not the end beautiful because I didn't die. Get me on the really pad. It's my rat. What? How long I'm not drowning? Judas will never drowned. Judas will never go on a wake. Actually, I did in Minecraft. That's how you jump. Okay, I don't want to fall down here again. We are coming down. I hope. No! 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 Where am I? No! Let me grab a tree! It's my... Ah! Sorry. I want to eat birds! That kind of sounds disgusting. Hello, I gotta eat. Give me them. It's not even enough. Can I take a skydive? Never mind. I will die. Ah! I want to break the rock! I didn't know how difficult this game is! Sorry, I'm crying in this game because I never even played it. This is not even cool. It's my treehouse. Ah! No! Fall! How to even get off the sky island? I wish I would be on live for this. But I'm not. What is this? What is this? One person even that. Ah! Sorry, I keep pressing buttons. What is it? Agree. Nope. Oh, is that a phone? I want a phone. I always wanted a phone. Grab it! Thank you. Wait, it's a Nintendo Switch! I want a Nintendo Switch! Oh. Put bad. Okay. Minus button. Minus button. Wait, where I put the minus? Where am I? Okay. Sorry. I really want to go. Stop. Stop. Ah! Goodbye. Oh, well, I gotta get there. Fun. How about, okay, press this button to make a bridge. Make a whatever. Oh, it is making a bridge. I want a bridge. So I can cross instead of jumping and fall off the cliff I did earlier. Okay, now finally, it's okay. Why we give me an apple. I want to break it. Break the apple. I want to chop it to apple slices. Give me that. Wake up. There we go. Finally, I'm okay. Dude, so it is okay. Whoa! Oh, apple. Hi, man. What are you doing? Select the weapon. I really want to play. I really want to done playing because this video been kind of got okay. I know. I mean, I actually don't know because it's my first time playing. Ugh! What to do? I would just hate this. What that do? Okay, pot. See how. Ah! Idea. Can I jump? Stop! How long till I win? I don't like to eat. I'm full now. Give me them! Give me them! Give me them! No! No! There we go. Yummy, yummy, yum. I really want to end this video. So can you just skydive. Jump! I'm okay. A frog. Give me the frog. Further. No more dying. I'm fine. Yeah, let's go. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. See ya. Hi, mister. Hi, mister. Hit, hit, hit. It won't let me hit! Wait, what was that again? What was that again? Wait, what was that? What was that? What was that? Oh. Okay. What was that again? Oh, that's how you do it.